In reality, Jasmy has gained $4.08 in the last 24 hours, contrary to popular belief. DMS, on the other hand, is currently worth nothing. 24-hour trading volume for Jasmy coin is actually $87,034,289, and JSMY's next competition is $0, which indicates that JSMY has gained approximately $4.08 in the last 24 hours, which is the 23rd of May, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Jasmy coin price examination for now, or the next week. We'll try to answer the most frequently asked questions about essential problems. What is the short-term price forecast for Jasmy coin? Jasmy is a very wise investment. This is due to the fact that there are very large Jasmy coin support and resistance levels indicating that Jasmy gained 4.08 in the last 24 hours. This is significant, but before we delve too deeply into the Jasmy technical analysis, let's discuss the current economic climate. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. As a result, Bitcoin's price has decreased to 26,797.21 cents, a loss of 0.42% over the past 24 hours, while Ethereum's price has increased by 0.12 cents to 1813.92 cents. Most people believed that XRP, the local currency, was worth between 1.1 and 46 cents. Furthermore, after losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX dropped to 60 cents, which is a significant decline. These events indicate that the market is generally declining at the present, as market analysis indicates a loss of $1.84 in the last 24 hours, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1, $122, $121, $212, $407, $888. This is a large number right now, but it indicates that the crypto market as a whole is falling, which is a very important indicator for Jasmy coin support and resistance. So they believed. Support and resistance are important technical markers used to identify key price levels where the trend could change. Support is a price level where buyers become more active and prevent the price from falling further. Resistance is a price level where sellers become more active and prevent the price from falling further. Despite what most people believe, the Amobi is currently growing at $0, and Jasmy coin quantities of support and resistance are as follows. The current Jasmy coin price is $0, and it has been traded for 87,329,000 in the past 24 hours. This indicates that JSMY's closest competitor is priced at $0, and that JASM has gained 4.08 points in the past 24 hours, with an average gain of 4.08 points per day. This demonstrates that the same level of competition is a level at which sellers generally become more active and prevent the price of a coin from going up pretty further. Look at its support is a level at which buyers generally become more active and prevent the price of a coin from falling any further. At the moment, the price is $0, which is very significant. Important modifications to the daily plan must be awaited by investors. The current aggregate strength record for Jasmy coin is 19 after 14 days, which is a normal line. This indicates that JASM is in an oversold region and that a pattern reversal is feasible. Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after a 0.77 decrease in value, which is contrary to what the majority of people believe, whereas JASM's Williams percentage decreased by 0. Our indicator is at 77.22 for the past 14 days. Jasmy coins passing, the current price of a Jasmy coin is $0. And there are a lot of them being traded. When Bitcoin returns to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left wondering where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we prepare for a likely drop in the Bitcoin price forecast for today? Bitcoin BTC has increased by 3% and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, indicating that prices will increase over the weekend. However, this influx of money did not occur until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden reached a preliminary agreement to raise the enormous $32.4 trillion national debt limit. Although this agreement was reached after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, Biden is confident that it will be finalized. This agreement was reached a month after U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen warned on June 1 that the talks could fail. After the debt ceiling was announced, more money began to flow into Bitcoin, driving the BTC-USD price up by more than 3% in a single day. Jack said about the value of real assets such as Bitcoin. Particularly since he believes the dollar will be printed into oblivion, Bitcoin is the fastest horse in the race. Meyer believes the Federal Reserve may have a different opinion. Marcel Peckman, a Cointelegraph researcher and writer, talks about Bitcoin BTC on the most recent episode of the Market Report. Stocks fell by $29,801. BlackRock's filing for a spot exchange-traded fund, ETF, and the SEC's crackdown on altcoins have made it possible for Bitcoin to hit 50% of the market for the first time in 2 years. Peckman says that everyone must agree that no one thought Bitcoin would become the second largest non-fungible token blockchain. CryptoSlam's analysis shows that, excluding wash deals, the 30-day adjusted data for Ether, ETH, was $380 million. While it was $104 million for Bitcoin and $40 million for Solana, SOL. So, Michael Saylor's call for 80% market dominance relies on decentralized finance moving to the Bitcoin network. Even though it seems impossible right now. That's because there is no infrastructure for smart contracts on Bitcoin, even with a second layer. Next, Peckman brings up a problem with the most recent The Week on-chain report from Glassnode. Using data from earlier halving cycles, analysts have found that Bitcoin's price may stay flat for 18 months, which suggests that another 6 to 12 months may be ahead of us. Peckman tells us that, in real life, if the price of Bitcoin goes from $25,000 to $70,000 and then back down to $40,000, for example, that is, figuratively speaking, a matter of life and death for most traders. It makes no sense to call the time before the splitting sideways boredom just because Bitcoin will reach $150,000 after the halving. In the last part, Peckman talks about Deutsche Bank's bid for a digital asset custody license. When a bank offers a digital asset custody service, they hold the assets of their clients. They don't spend the bank's money or add cryptocurrency services. When it comes to taking Bitcoin and Ether ETH as payment, stocks fell $1,846. Peckman thinks it will be a while before we can use bank